up on social media anywhere in the world and celebrate this woman's activities in her past life will be penalized, will be tracked down, and will be arrested. So if you criticize the EOJ service and its provider that they failed, you're technically doing it to Israel. And if that law should pass tomorrow morning, all those policies and laws go in activation, they will send a note to the government of Jamaica and letting them know you are of interest. And you can't stop that.
Vice, let me put something out there in since I was there on the platform this man, we have the attention and so much people saying. And young man, I mean, if you call a name, this is a warning to you and a lot more. See? If you don't know the power of the internet, see, and the social media wanna use for no convenient at the time, some of the things that will come from the mouth, you know, careful.
Thank you, sir.
Careful.
Leo, in addition to that, you see the video we put out to go viral a little bit? You see the video, right?
Go over there now and believe me, to always get my attention. No, me never go back because me never remember if I like and share.
But the video, somebody called me. A technocrat called me out of the Jamaica Labour Party and say, you're a very smart fellow. How you know to choose the words so carefully? I said, me can't tell you about the government.
Well, I know it's so sad, see? For this young man know how serious a sanction is. And you come out here so you say, if the government not give no up, you no go down and safe. In a which world? What we do now?
But Leo, nobody follow that the argument, them, man. Maintain what we are talking about. What we are saying to them. Also, sir, Donald Trump have just invested $17 billion and make it available to TikTok. Americans can directly own TikTok right now. So if you know all that there is to come, we make a sad mistake.
Vice, you see that statement that Donald Trump come out and make and say, we don't need to protect our own borders. If you know how deep that is, what me say? If you know how deep that is,
you realize you never see Donald Trump with ANJU unless at the US.
Thank you very much.
But it's not doing.
Never.
Which labor right can't come show me Donald Trump? Why? Donald Trump cannot stand behind or with a person that is allegedly involved in corruption.
Never.
Cannot. Never. The people that will protect Donald Trump and his integrity at this point, you see? But post something bad about him and in character, you see what happened to you. So just imagine ANJU name where I run up and down in a corruption all over the world.
Yo, Vice. Jamaican people have sense now, yeah. I get what you're trying to say, but Jamaican people have sense now. We are say a total rubbish. Total rubbish, you say, dog. Me can't say anything more about Donald Trump right now. Me can't say anything more about Netanyahu, about Israel right now. Anti-Semitism are them idiot word where them are trying to against people.
Let me ask you a favor, please.
Please.
Not do it on the platform with me punch and become a friend, please. Not do it over here, sir.
Go on somewhere else, man.
Oh. Not do it over here, sir.
Yo, which world we live in? We live in the 21st century. We not live in the 21st century and you're still there in the 18th.
G-Unit. Yo, this someone that them people and I love Jamaica and I love ANJU wellness.
That me realize.
What do you mean? Is Jamaica not a democracy?
Them a
So
man you
answer me this
understand.
voice of the nation is Jamaica not a democracy?
So if that good question, yes. Answer one of my questions. Why did ANJU let's walk out of the parliament saying now sit down with nobody will investigate them? Because
No,
after Richard has
that's how you because we can't continue with a little brother over because we don't want him come because some of the things they might say over here. So.
Man, him gone. Young, you know, you ever think we say young but not no hurricane, you know. Somebody tell you something.
All right, look funny, see? She show you.
One thing I
What are the comments? We show a lot of them I use social media and believe me. And when they run their strong thing, you realize it's just a simple statement. Rosalie make. We shouldn't even call her name. Then when CDA them get whatever phone call or video footage then get seen and go for the kids them then. What she could have do about it? Because the evidence already there against her. She could have done nothing at all.
And she never know that.
Because you want to know the statement that she make, that was a premeditated statement. She couldn't take it back. So
and
that everyone can stand up against her in the court.
Leo. Even if the statement was not premeditated, Leo.
That system the man them set up right now, brother. That system.
We have to be very careful, not as just people, but whatever you say, you see?
That system.
And I just
That
you
was-
can't use against you.
Yeah, me know that. Whatever they say.
Me want say this too now, this is not a joke. See, a lot of people feel say, a lot of people feel say, hold on the chat. A lot of people feel say, when we come on TikTok and talk, it does talk and who here and it does gone. See? Then can pull back every conversation, every meet over ears and use it again.
That's a serious thing. It's true. Why you think them on Google? Why you think them on Google? Why you think them can find you anywhere you're there?
Google bring
Because
back
you have a
everything.
thing. Yeah, because you have a thing where no Usman you definite they can come pick you up. You have a big
And then-
chance
and
when
then-
you talk.
Some of them in a jeopardy more than me. I don't know about nobody.
Yeah,
Listen me because I have a smartphone, but not so smart. See, you see all of them phone the way you see on the market and sell now. Buy one of them and feel like say if they want you, then can come pick you up exactly where you there. One text
Let them
message.
see you then, huh? Of course.
Anaisha.
Yo, are you?
Because let me tell you something. Just a minute. Just 1 minute. Just 1 minute. Me there New York. Me live in a city, right? And me there in New York, I want shoe store. Actually in the Corville, right? And we buy some stuff. And when me see something come up on my phone, and when me I read it, me could actually say, me there in New York. Me could actually say, me there in New York. They might tell me to be careful. Because remember then they say, New York have a lot of COVID people. And me I said to myself, sir, so all them know me there in New York, or pick me up in New York. So people have to be careful and because you have on your location anywhere you go over the world.
Right, this is not
pick you up.
this is nothing bad me going to say about the PM. See? You remember when the PM go and come back one at a time, I think about 2 years ago or a year and some months in, and come back and say, we get the technology now where we can find you guys where you are in. And pay then go pay for your software. So they have everything enough for them and now for use that for them ledger. You understand me? I pay then go pay for your software. That's why you could come back and make the statement. You know what, you notice from that? The police then can stop you on the road and take your phone and just go through your phone and know everything what you do in your phone. Get to look at people.
But that's illegal, you know.
Eh?
But Leo, that is illegal. You know?
That is what
Yes.
they're doing now, no?
You know why it's illegal?
No,
Because the bill not
yes,
passed in the
sir.
parliament. That's why it's illegal.
Of course it is illegal.
It's illegal, yes, but at the
Yes,
end of the
it's
day,
illegal.
and that them have come up with.
Well, yes.
But open your
right
phone.
now-
You're not supposed to open your phone. But remember
No,
when
you
you
don't
do that, so when you
open
come
your
to
phone.
airport, when you come to airport, them can't tell you to open your phone. So it's like that them have come up with you now. But when they have come up with you, nobody never tell me to open phone.
Well,
Cause my phone, oh, me go open my phone to them. Them have something on my phone.
Anyway, that the idiot never come up
Yeah,
here. Well,
listen.
no nonsense. Because here what they do now, Leo. Them listen one part of the argument and then just run with it. Just say you have said this.
Yeah.
Alright,
And then
come to the
all they want to do now is go say, Vice say. But the question you want to ask him, when ANJU did that sanction because Zankia them got one, why they didn't put Vice name on it? Why didn't they put Vice name on it? Eh? You think we have time to talk about propaganda power with farm brother?
No, it's not. No.
They need to go focus on the things that matters most.
Right now, I'm at the PM right now, so you can't do anything we want right now. Trust me. None of them kind of people in about. When we see the
Who
system right now, anything we want right now.
Who?
The people. When we see the system right now,
Alright, Vice.
anything we want right now.
Vice. Alright, Vice. When you say Vice, when you say it's illegal, see? Alright, you see if the bill pass in a parliament and the opposition signing the bill, see? Then it will add to the constitution. No, then it's not gonna be illegal no more. You know?
Yeah, that's not just the procedure.
Yeah, things like them here, a lot of people, you not say it and they will laugh and type all sort of fool and realize say them a laugh after themselves.
But Leo, you know, if you entertain them the type of low brain people there, you know. Them not ready in them thought process. So me not too
you know,
worry about them.
You know, sometimes I laugh. Sometimes I laugh in a Vice, and you know why I laugh? It's like right now, if you tell the truth, it could like it's a turnaround now. Like, so if you say this because there's a lot of people out there were bright and they're still brilliant, see? But you realize, say, the people them now with the bright, we go to school and get the education, and them turn on to be the fool right now.
No,
A lot of them.
No for them, true.
Them turn around to be the fool. Because if you listen to some of them people that on TikTok and reason, you have to wonder if they can take up a book.
They say they
But let me say this to you. And not just that, you know. You have people in the society. All right, look at the Jamaica Labour Party. They have always trying to tell the world that they are for the people, right?
Mm-hmm.
And they are for prosperity. But when you point out the facts to them that your party have never solved the problem for poorer class, them tell us, they point you to books and dictionaries, but you ask them about why so much people live on capture land and people still use pit toilet and school and have no water. Then they tell you about it's a developing progress. So you ask them to explain a developing progress to you. They will
You
point
never
Hold on, Leo.
These are the things they point you to. They try to redefine phrases, developing progress and words. Progress. Jamaica was just credited with BB rating now. So a good place to invest. That's on paper, right? You can use that as a marketing strategy. But the big question, is Jamaica investable? No. So the Labour right will run with the narrative, say, yeah, we just passed one test. But in reality, can we attract any investors outside of the tourism? No. You think any big company that come here can create car and phone and develop? Yeah, we're not doing it. Too expensive.
But Vice, the little thing where everybody outside of Jamaica would have
Where I say Vara, I see you down there back there. Yeah. Where you say now, Leo?